Let's learn colors with colorful surprise crayons. Purple. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look at all these gumballs. Our first toy surprise is a purple slap bracelet shaped like a truck. Let's straighten it out so we can wear it. It's a slap bracelet, so we'll just slap it like that. Now we look good. I think there's another surprise. Let's find it. It's a purple ball. Inside, it has a soda cap. Let's open it up and see which one we get. A little squeeze should do the trick. It looks like we got one of the cola cats. This one's named Kitty Cola, and it's a kitty in the shape of a soda. Green. Let's see what's in the green crayon. I think I feel something. It's a little scooter, but I think it's missing something. It needs a driver. Look, it's Hello Kitty's friend, Karopi. He's the driver of our scooter. Look at how cute he is. There's even a coconut drink in the back in case he gets thirsty. Let's send him off. Vroom! There's still another surprise inside. Let's see what it is. It's green Play-Doh. Let's see if we can make something. First, let's flatten it out. For that, we'll use a roller. Now our Play-Doh is flat. Dinosaur cutter. Dinosaur bones. Now let's remove the extra Play-Doh. Let's see our dinosaur. Look, it's a T-Rex. Roar! Now to put the Play-Doh away so it doesn't dry out. Red. Let's see what's in the red crayon. I can tell there's something big in here. Wow, look at that! It's Freight Nate from the Mighty Express Train Rescue Team. And he has a rotating rescue arm to help with missions. Let's give Freight Nate a train track. Now we can see what he can do. Off he goes. Not only is Freight Nate strong, he's fast too. Great job, Nate. Your mission is complete. Now we can put away our train track and check out the next surprise. Wow, it's a Lightning McQueen pullback race car. Let's wind him up and see what he can do. Wow, those gumballs are no match for Lightning McQueen. Yellow. Let's see what surprises are in the yellow crayon. It's Cruz Ramirez to race Lightning McQueen. Since they're water toys, let's play with them in water. Let's wind them up and send them off. Wow, look at that! These race cars float. Driving on water looks so fun. Good thing there's no fish in the tank. They might be scared. Here they come for the final lap. Wait, they're going 2 different directions. There, that's better. Wow, that was great. I think both racers had fun. But we still have another surprise in the yellow crayon. Let's see what it is. Wow, what could this be? It's a yellow banana. We can peel the banana to see what's inside. I see 4 different pieces inside the banana. The first piece says kitty. It must be the pet. Do you have a cat or dog at home? If so, what's their name? Ooh, look at this special, shiny gold piece. It says, Mommy. Mommies are special. Now the next member of our banana family is Daddy. And this Daddy's a cute banana man. Try saying that 3 times fast. And the last member of our family is a baby. Is there a baby in your family? Next up is Pink. Let's find out what's in the pink crayon. More gumballs. We knew that would be there. But let's see what toy surprises there are. There's definitely something in here. I can feel it. There, I got it. Oh, it's a Beanie Boo Sky from the Paw Patrol. Sky is a high-flying pup that likes to help out on air rescue missions. Now let's see if there's anything else left in the pink crayon. Oh, it looks like an egg. It is. It's a Hatchimal egg with a purple heart on it. Let's see what cool animal we get inside. I see something green, but I'm not sure what it is yet. There we go. Come on out, little guy. I think it's a green frog with pink wings. That means it's uncommon and hard to find, so I guess we're pretty lucky. Now that we opened up our small crayons, it's time to open the big blue one. Hi, blue crayon.
Hi, I can't wait to show you what's inside me.
And we can't wait to see either. I bet this one has more stuff inside since it's so big. Look at that! Our first surprise is the Woodsy's Babies blind box. It could be so many different animals. A fox, a cow, a squirrel. Let's see which one we get. Ah, here's the little baggie with the baby inside. I can't wait to see. What kind of animal do you think it's gonna be? It's a kitty! Were you right? Just look at this cute little kitten. Her name is Lola, and the blind box doubles as a little bed for her. Isn't that pretty cool? I think she's thirsty, so let's give her some milk. There, all full. Now she can have a little nap. And our next surprise in the blue crayon is this little blue car. And watch what happens when we press the wheels. It lights up and plays sounds. That's really neat. And the door is really open and closed too. Wow, that's pretty awesome. Now let's send our blue car off for a little ride. Whoa, look at it go. Now let's see if there's anything else left in our crayon. Hey, there is. It's a little cube with Superman on it. That's pretty neat, but I think there's something inside. So let's open it up and see. Whoa, what in the world? It looks like pieces of a doll. Any idea who it could be? Let's put it together and find out. Whoever she is, she has a pretty blue dress. Her hair has a snowflake on it. I wonder if that's a clue. Here's her face, but she looks kind of weird without the rest of her hair. Ah, here it is. Let's slide it on. I think I know who it is. Do you? I'll put her arms on while you have time to think. It's Elsa from Frozen, with Olaf the snowman. I bet you knew that, didn't you? She has a crystal blue dress with a lovely blue cape, just like in the movies. What a cool little posable figure. Now that we got all our cool toy surprises, it would be a shame to let all the gumballs go to waste. So let's invite Rocky with his brand new recycle truck to help us. Let's start by adding some purple gumballs. And now some of Rocky's favorite color, green. Some red ones as well. Yellow ones too. Some pink ones. And finally blue. Now let's start recycling and see what we get. Whoa, amazing! We got 2 colorful glass cubes that you can see through. They have blue, yellow, and red. I wonder if we can use them to mix colors. Let's see what blue and red make. Purple, wow! Now blue and yellow. They make green. And finally, yellow and red. Wow, they made orange. What a cool way to learn about colors. I'm glad we got these from recycling. Thanks for all your help, guys. I had a whole mess of fun. See you next time.